Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to install a WFP 2110-99. If it's a 99, 16, F250, 350, check our website for complete make, model, year information. We're going to go ahead and put on this 2008 F250 door. Obviously we took it off the cab for demonstration purposes. This is also the door we use for the development of the part. Tools you'll need are, let's get started. Alright, we're going to go ahead and remove the old part. We're going to use our Weatherstrip installation tool. It's nylon so it won't scratch the paint. And we're just going to kind of go underneath it and lift up. This will lift up and we'll pull back on it. Once you get it kind of loose, you can just kind of pull up on it and pull it back to get it out underneath the mirror here. We're going to go ahead and begin the install. We're doing this on the driver's side door. The process is going to be the same for the passenger side door. Slip it underneath the mirror housing here. And make sure it's lined up on the back side of the door. And you simply push it onto the flange. Make sure you have it fully seated on, and then you're done.